Hello guys, this is Discipline Specific Course DSC 1A Old Special Paper 1. Earlier it was called Special English 1. Let's look at syllabus of third semester. Title of the paper is Appreciating Drama. Objectives: to introduce drama as a major form of literature, to introduce minor forms of drama, to acquaint and enlighten students regarding the literary and the performing dimensions of drama, to acquaint and familiarize the students with the elements and types of drama, to encourage students to make a detailed study of few sample masterpieces of English drama from different parts of the world, to develop interest among the students to appreciate and analyze drama independently, to enhance students' awareness regarding aesthetics of drama and empower them to evaluate drama independently. Unit 1, Theory of Drama. You can look at this picture of a theater. William Shakespeare had Globe Theatre. It's something like that. You can see how people perform, how do people watch them perform. So you will learn about all these things in this paper. You have drama, literary form. You will study about that. Then drama, the performing art form. Elements of drama, literary elements, theme, plot, characters, diction, conflict, setting, etc. Second, theatrical elements, stage, directions, light effects, music, costumes, stage property, makeup, etc. Fourth, types of drama, tragedy, comedy, tragicomedy, problem play, absurd drama. Fifth, an introduction to minor forms of drama, one-act play, skit, street play, short, radio play, pantomime. Unit 1, you've got one drama in this semester, third semester, that's Midsummer Night's Dream by William Shakespeare. Let's have a look of the summary of this drama. Midsummer Night's Dream is a comedy written by William Shakespeare in 1595-96. The play consists of multiple subplots that revolve around the marriage of Theseus and Hippolyta. One subplot revolves around a conflict between four Athenian lovers, one about a group of 6 amateur actors who have to act out their interpretations of the play Pyramus and Theseus at the wedding of Theseus and Hippolyta. These subplots take place in a forest inhabited by fairies who control the characters of the play. The play is one of the Shakespeare's most popular works for the stage and is widely performed across the world.